Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Glossy on mobile. Achieving a glossy look on Roblox mobile involves optimizing both your in-game settings and your device's performance. We'll walk through simple steps to enhance visual effects, making your Roblox experience appear much shinier and more detailed. Get ready to transform your mobile gameplay with just a few adjustments, aiming for a more vibrant and reflective display. First, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Open the Roblox app and find the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Look for the graphics quality slider and push it all the way to the right to its maximum setting. This significantly increases visual detail. Also, confirm your graphics mode is set to automatic or manual for optimal control over these enhancements, aiming for a richer visual experience. Next, let's optimize your mobile device itself. Close any apps running in the background to free up valuable system memory and processing power. Make sure both your device's operating system and the Roblox application are updated to their latest versions for best performance. Explore your phone's display settings for options like vivid or enhanced color modes, which can make visuals pop. A strong, stable internet connection also helps maintain smooth, high-quality graphics. Finally, here are some advanced tips. Be aware that certain Roblox experiences might have their own unique graphic settings within the game itself, so check those too. For the absolute best visual clarity, playing on a device with a high-resolution display, like 1080 pixels or higher, makes a big difference. Remember, glossy is a subjective term, and results can vary greatly between different Roblox games. Experiment to find your perfect look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.